Greetings, universe. This is for days from the Self-Expression Project, and you're watching Tribe, Nation, Kingdom 5. In my last videos, I've done things like 33 videos in 30 days, different days challenge, giving people $1,000 if they can keep up with me and my brother D-Rock. And now I feel that I need to do something more challenging. So I've challenged myself to sell 100 shirts in 33 days, starting yesterday. 100 shirts, 33 days starting yesterday, to add to the Self-Expression Academy. This mission is very important for various reasons. I'll touch base on all that stuff later, but I just wanted to get this out. Every shirt is going to be made by moi, from beginning to end. So if you want custom shirts, if you want a dozen shirts, if you want one shirt, if you want 100 shirts, all the way up to 500, whatever it is, at this point right now, I can only make one color. That's the problem. Yet, if I can get this 100 shirts sold, along with a few other things, I'll be able to get bigger toys and I can make multiple colors. So if you could just pass word on this, even if you don't purchase a shirt, if you pass word on this and somebody's interested in getting something for the holidays, for their family, or what have you, then let's do it. Even if you want something custom for your family, let's do it. Just passing word adds to the mission. Peace, and as always, you are the adventure you seek.